Hello guys. In the previous video we discussed about pass by value and pass by reference, and we kind of took these two arguments and modified it inside this function, and then when it came back, then um, we saw that whatever changes were done here, it was reflecting here in the main function. So let's go a little bit further and discuss some more things related to this. There might be some scenarios wherein, of course, you receive something by reference, but you also want to be in a situation where um, those values should not be modified even by mistake. So whatever modifications we are doing here in line number 7 and 8, you kind of want the function one not to be doing it and um, uh, prevent such things from happening. So along with receiving it by reference, what you can also tell is that this should be a const variable, um, and maybe the second variable, second argument as well. And the moment you do this, you can notice some errors coming in over here. That expression must be a modifiable L value. So what this means is that we have now told you can receive argument 1 and argument 2, the originals itself, but they should not be modified. And since we are modifying it over here, then we'll get get that error. And if we remove that, there's no error and it will compile fine. So let's just check that, um, and then execute. So yeah, you're still receiving things by reference, but since you have this constant keyword or const keyword over here, you're not allowed to modify things inside this particular function with respect to these two arguments, argument 1 and argument 2. You cannot do anything with them in terms of modifying their values. So that is another way of kind of being safe, or ensuring that nothing changes with respect to these two variables. So yeah, that's what I wanted to convey in this video. Let's meet in the next video.